Greetings, I am Julian K. Smith Jr., Executive Director for the J.K. Smith Senior Foundation, and I'm sitting here with my friend Henry, and we are planning a great project in Haiti. And Henry serves as liaison, and I would love for him to share a little about yourself and the program in Haiti.
My name is Henry Hines Jr. I'm a guitarist and as well as a mechanic. I am the liaison here for Femina Multisport of Dr. Romel Jean-Pierre, based in Limonade, Haiti, in the northern part of Haiti. This is a way to give support to Dr. Romel with his endeavor to help kids into boxing, sport, multi-sport there, not only boxing, soccer, boxing, you name it, etc. And as well as J.K. Smith Foundation there to work together to create a program where Afro-American kids can join Afro-Haitian kids in Haiti and vice versa there, for them to have fun and then learn about each other's culture.
Excellent. My friend, I really appreciate you. He is an excellent guitarist, and you're going to hear some music from us, because even with the music too, we look forward to performing in Haiti. And Haiti is just the beginning. We want to be able to duplicate this boxing program all over the Caribbean. We really want you to support this effort, and you will hear more information about that. Today is so important when we see unity. One of the motto on your flag, I love.
Yes, that l'union fait la force. Unity is strength. And don't forget, Haiti is the mother of liberty for black folks on this planet.
That's why we're starting there in Haiti with that program. And we want to be able to show our youth how brilliant, how brave they are. And we want to show you from America that, wow, it's people that look just like you, that speak another language. Now, what language is spoken there?
In Haiti, they speak Creole, that's the mother tongue, mother language, and they speak French.
Oh, could you share some Creole for my audience?
Sac passé.
Sac passé. I hear that a lot.
You hear that, yeah? Yeah, sac passé na boule. Hey, okay. So, this, we would love for you to support this endeavor, mainly to promote sport and culture between both Black American and Black Haitians.
Yes.
Bring awareness about our way of life. That's very important there. And also, we should not forget about that. This support, that same support there, would be good for providing boxing equipment.
Yes.
As well as other things.
Yes.
And of course, they're going to be enjoying some great food in Haiti.
Nice.
Northern part of Haiti, Limonade. And by the way, Limonade is near Milo. That's where the citadel is, which testimony for the Haitian Revolution by the King Henry Christophe that came to Savannah, Georgia in 1779.
Yes. So we are connected.
So we are connected in many ways. So it would be a great thing for each side to benefit from each other.
Yes.
So when you go over there, you're going to see for yourself there. From Limonade, I'm sure Dr. Romel Jean-Pierre will take you to the Citadel.
Nice.
And then you're going to see the very first town created in Haiti called Milo.
Nice. Wow. I am honored as a historian. I look forward to that. So the plan is that during our spring break, I'll be able to travel there as a prospective field visit. And during the summer, my foundation and Dr. Romeo Jean-Pierre's organization, Femina Sports, we will be able to host a youth boxing program in Haiti this summer. Hey, thank you for your time. You will hear more from us. Stay strong. Thank you, Henry.
Ok, bye bye, merci. Well, n'a pas temps pour nous visiter Limonade, côté Femina Multisport, Dr. Jean-Pierre là, et puis n'a pas chance tout pour nous visiter la citadelle, le roi Henri Christophe, qui est pas trop loin du Namio.